In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Peloton discount codes in 2024. So with that in mind, I jump right into it. First of all, you have to open your web browser and go to Google and search for Peloton promo code. So right here, you have to select this website, which is retellmenot.com. And as you can see right here, we have at least two different type of promo codes and years that we can use. And for example, if you want to get, let's say, this promo code with $100 off. All you have to do is select show code right here, and this is your discount code. And on your next purchase, you can simply insert this promo code in order to get the discount. And as you can see, this is the date when the promo code will expire. So you can use this one until 2025. So if you go back to your main search right here on Google, you should be able to find this Signals website right here, where you can also have different type of promo codes and deals that you can use. And for example, if you want to get, let's say this one is 15% off, all you have to do is select get offer right here, and you can select right here activate offer and shop now. So if you want to use this offer, all you have to do is select the activate offer button, and you will be redirected to the website, and that promo code will be applied. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.